Welcome back to my Singapore travel series. Today marks day 2 of our adventure. Our second day starts with a delightful breakfast at the hotel. Though I only captured a few pictures, the dining area was impressive, featuring live counters serving authentic local delicacies and freshly made egg dishes. The ambience was modern yet cozy, and the same space transforms into community, a stylish bar and restaurant in the evening. We are setting out to explore one of Singapore's most breathtaking marvels, Gardens by the Bay. Before heading there, we took a moment to soak in the vibrant atmosphere of Orchard Road, capturing its morning energy before embarking on our journey. One of the things I absolutely love about Singapore is its efficient and seamless public transport system. To get to Gardens by the Bay, we boarded the MRT from Orchard Road, traveling effortlessly to Bayfront station. From there, a short, picturesque walk led us to the entrance of the stunning attraction. As we approached, the first thing that caught my eye was a striking Gardens by the Bay South inscription, beautifully nestled amidst lush greenery. The setting was truly mesmerizing, with the serene riverfront framing the skyline of Marina Bay Sands and the Singapore Flyer. It was a harmonious blend of nature and urban sophistication. Before immersing ourselves in the wonders inside, we strolled through the garden pathways where an array of quaint food stalls stood, offering a variety of local and international delights. The gentle breeze, the sound of rustling leaves, and the tranquil setting made it a delightful prelude to the immersive experience ahead. And then the real spectacle began. As we entered the cloud forest dome, we were immediately greeted by a majestic indoor waterfall cascading gracefully from a towering height. The cool mist enveloped the space, creating an almost dreamlike ambience. The fusion of lush tropical flora and the rhythmic sound of flowing water made this a captivating sensory experience. We ascended through the winding pathways, each level unveiling exquisite botanical treasures from around the world. The elevated walkways offered a panoramic view of the verdant paradise, while glass panel vantage points provided a breathtaking glimpse of the Marina Bay. It was truly a spectacle of contrast, a thriving rainforest within a futuristic cityscape. After an exhilarating exploration, it was time to indulge in a well-earned culinary treat. We headed to Shake Shack, nestled within the gardens. Thankfully, we had pre-ordered online, allowing us to skip the wait and simply present our confirmation at the counter. And let me tell you, the succulent, perfectly crafted burgers were an absolute delight. A true testament to gourmet fast food done right. And with that, we conclude part 1 of a Gardens by the Bay experience, but there is so much more to uncover. In the next installment, we will explore Fantasy Garden and Flower Dome, where the magic of nature meets stunning artistic displays. Stay tuned, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for more travel insights. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite part of Singapore, or is this place on your bucket list. Thank you.